Can two of these lovely ladies come on over here, please? What's your name? Tiffany. Dominique.
I can't do that.
Y'all can stand right over there. Y'all remember earlier we did the game Sound Effects, where Renee did sound effects for Steve? You guys are going to do the sound effects for Steve and Lavelle. They're going to improvise the scene. Tiffany, you're going to do the sound effects for Steve. Dominique, you're going to do sound effects for Lavelle. And they're going to prompt you, and you're going to do the sound effects for them. Scene is weapons expert Lavelle and explosive expert Steve have come together to take down a highly dangerous terrorist headquarters. Go.
All right, man, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, ready.
All right, man.
Check this out. I made up this new chemical.
Okay.
I just mixed these two together, and it makes this awful, sizzling, stinky smell.
Okay, all right.
All right, now, I'm going to pour it together.
Okay.
It's going to sizzle and really make it. Here we go.
Go.
Pour.
Watch this. Ready? Here we go. Guess I won't be using that.
I got this. This is my noisy cricket. It's small, but it packs a heck of a punch.
All right.
All right. Now watch this. No, target.
Chug, chug.
You get in and close my door. Okay, ready? Because the engine is so loud. I hope the terrorists don't hear us coming because the engine is so loud.
Yeah.
Shoot right up into that window and throw them off.
Okay.
All right, cool. Now, you know this. You know how loud this gun is. I hope it don't scare no elderly person and give a heart attack and like that. Okay. Ready? Here we go. And boom. Pretty good.